Today, I am here at the Ivy in University District. And what am I doing here? Well, I wanted to discover what all the excitement was around this project and the inner city community that it's in. So here I am in minus 20-degree weather in Calgary's northwest, just 5 minutes away from key roadways and within minutes of University of Calgary and McMahon Stadium. So how was I going to see all these features of the project and the surrounding area? Well, I needed a plan. I made a list of favorite spots based off of what our homeowners have been saying. We only had one day, so we had to fit as much as possible into that time frame. The Ivy townhomes are located in University District and offer maintenance-free living and detached garages, starting from the upper 400s. In the heart of this project is a beautiful courtyard that is surrounded by 3 unique elevation styles. So we are going to start the day by touring through the Olivine Show Suite. So we're here in the kitchen, and what you'll notice is that the kitchen has lots of windows, so it provides plenty of natural light. It's also open concept as well, and it's got plenty of cabinet space, so it's perfect for prepping. And if you love to cook, you'll love the Bosch stainless steel appliances. It's every chef's dream. But if you're looking for a little more storage, we also have a spacious pantry as well. So when we designed the Ivy, it was all about matching the home to your lifestyle, and the interior is no different. That's why when you get to choose your interior selections, you get to go to the studio by Brookfield Residential. So that's a space where you get to see, touch, and feel the premium quality products that you get to choose for your future home. You're also guided by a member of our interior design team, so you're gonna have help in making sure that all the items you've selected complement one another. So it's a really great opportunity for you to personalize your home to your lifestyle. So at the Ivy, we do have 2 and 3 bedroom floor plans available, and all the floor plans feature an upper floor laundry, so it adds to that level of convenience. Now the Olivine is a 2-bedroom floor plan featuring dual vanities, which is really great. And this here is the master bedroom, so very spacious, but what I love is it has his and her closets. So this is the main ensuite, and what you can tell is it's got dual vanities, lots of space, a beautiful shower, and then premium high-end finishings for you to choose from. So that was the tour of the Olivine Show Suite. And this home is a little under 1,600 square feet and has 2 beds, 2.5 baths. Now it does also have a front flex space that's ideal for a home office for those people who like to work from home or have a busy lifestyle. But now that we've taken a look at this home, let's go walk over to the Discovery Center and see what the rest of the community has in store. So the Ivy is located in the heart of University District and just steps away from all of UD's incredible amenities, including the regional pathway system, the community center, and it's just steps away from the Market Street district that's coming soon. And that's going to have a lot of great amenities as well. So we're here at the University District Discovery Center, and what I love about this Discovery Center is they have people here to answer any and all of your questions. So they can tell you what's here, what's coming soon, and what's already here. We've got a dog park, parks, playground, as well as the pathways and a hospital. And what's coming soon? Well, there's a lot, so I'm just gonna tell you a few of my personal favorites. You have OEB breakfast, analog coffee, pressed sandwiches, Freshie, Save on Foods, and then there's my personal favorite, the Cineplex VIP Theater. So you do have your shops, your services, as well as great entertainment, all within the community. So within the community, there is the Alberta Children's Hospital, which provides peace of mind to parents and great employment opportunities. Also nearby, you'll find the Foothills Hospital, the Professional Center, and more entertainment and services. But if you're looking to get downtown for work, you can quickly hop on Memorial and you're only 10 minutes away, or you can head on over to the Brentwood LRT station, and that provides another transportation resource for you. And now we're off to see the amenities nearby. So we're we're here at the Urban Dog Park, and so this gives your furry friends a reason to love the community as much as you do. Now the park itself is actually separated into two separate spaces. One space for large dogs and then one space for smaller dogs. So it really encourages that level of play. Then behind the dog parks, you'll notice we're at the North Ponds, which is just under 2 acres. So it's tough to see right now in the winter, but in the summer, it's really beautiful. It's got the tiered benching and it's a really great use of space. So there's lots of great amenities in University District, but there's tons that surround the community as well, including one of Calgary's best malls. So if you enjoy retail therapy like I do, then you're gonna love that Market Mall is only a 2-minute drive or a 6-minute walk away from the Ivy. And this mall has over 200 retailers and great restaurants. So lots of amenities here for the entire family to enjoy. So one of the huge benefits to living so close to the University of Calgary is you can have access to this world-class facility. And this includes the aquatic center, gymnasiums, the racket center, the fitness center, as well as the climbing wall. And if you want to head out on your own and go to the mountains, you can use the services and resources from the rentals that the U of C provides. You can also enjoy the endless entertainment that U of C offers, including the galleries, the Olympic Oval, and the library. So you can enjoy speaker series, concerts, as well as educational events throughout the entire year. So we're going to wrap up our tour today here at Ivy Central Courtyard. We hope you enjoyed learning all about our luxurious townhomes in this established inner city community. Now, if you'd like to learn more, please visit theivycalgary.com. And if you'd like to see more of our home tours, click on the video links to the side. We hope to see you next time.